Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can text someone without using your phone number. So you can do it pretty easily. For that, watch this video till the very end. Go to the Google Play Store and install this very application called Session. So more about Session, you can see it right here as well. According to safety, it is very safe, and when you open the Session right here, you don't need a phone number to text anybody. You just need to open it. After you open it, what you can simply do is log in with your credentials. Like, you can create your own account, or if you have an account, then you can simply make your own account without using a phone number. And after you do that, you can simply text to the people by sending them the invite link or anyone on this very messages. So that's how you can do it. You can also have many other features right here where you don't need any messages. So if you are looking for an application where you don't need a phone number and you want to text someone, then this application can be applicable for you. So use this, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.